Affiliate marketing with paid advertising, such as Google Ads or Facebook Ads, is a strategy where you use paid advertising to promote affiliate products or services and earn commissions on conversions. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to effectively execute affiliate marketing with paid ads. Choose affiliate programs. Start by joining affiliate programs that offer products or services aligned with your niche and target audience. Make sure you understand the affiliate terms and commission structure. Set a budget. Determine your advertising budget for your paid ad campaigns. Start with an amount you're comfortable with, and be prepared to adjust it as you monitor your campaign's performance. Select the right paid advertising platform. Google Ads. If you choose Google Ads, create a Google Ads account and set up your campaign. You can run text ads, display ads, or shopping ads, depending on the affiliate products you're promoting. Facebook Ads. For Facebook Ads, use the Facebook Ads Manager to create ad campaigns. Facebook allows you to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, making it a powerful platform for affiliate marketing. Keyword research and targeting. In the case of Google Ads, perform keyword research to identify relevant keywords related to the affiliate products. Choose high-converting keywords for your campaign. In Facebook Ads, focus on audience targeting. Select demographics and interests that match your affiliate product's target audience. Ad creatives. Create engaging ad creatives with compelling headlines, ad copy, and visuals. Ensure that your ad clearly communicates the value of the affiliate product. Adhere to the advertising policies and guidelines of the platform you're using. Landing pages. Develop dedicated landing pages on your website or a platform like ClickFunnels to drive traffic from your paid ads. These landing pages should provide detailed information about the affiliate product and encourage users to take the desired action, such as making a purchase. Incorporate affiliate links. Insert your affiliate links within your landing pages, guiding users on how to proceed. Be transparent about your affiliate relationship on the landing page.